Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. और आज की इस वीडियो में I'll be taking you through my another workout session. So this is going to be a pull session. So let's get started. I'll just warm up and do some body weight rows. जो पिछला मेरा वीक था दैट वाज अ डीलोड वीक, सो आई एम फीलिंग फ्रेश. तो अभी मैं क्या करूँगा, आई विल जस्ट गो अहेड एंड टेस्ट माई मसल अप्स, और आई शुड से मसल अप बिकॉज प्रॉब्ली आई कैन डू ओनली वन. आई विल ट्राई डूइंग विद बॉडी वेट. अगर वो नहीं होता है सो आई विल जस्ट ट्राई विद दिस रेड बैंड, टेकिंग असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस रेड बैंड. एंड द रीजन वाई एम टेस्टिंग मसल अप इज बिकॉज पिछले कुछ सेशंस में या फिर पिछले कुछ महीनों में आई हैव ट्रेन्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वेटेड पुलअप्स एंड आई एम श्योर दैट कुछ तो ट्रांजिशन हुआ होगा फ्रॉम वेटेड पुलअप्स टू मसल अप. तो लेट्स सी वेयर द प्रोग्रेस इज. लास्ट टाइम व्हेन आई टेस्टेड आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू one rep, or even with this band I was not able to do one rep. So just want to check what the progress is और कहाँ पे हूँ मैं अभी. So before starting the workout, let's just quickly check the muscle up progress. I got 2 reps with this red band and some kip. So I'm happy. I will not try without assistance of this one because मेरे को पता ही नहीं होगा. That's not going to happen. But I'm happy because last time when I tried, I could not do even one rep with this assistance of red band. और उस टाइम पे मैंने kip किया था. But this time I see some progress. And what I'll do is that I'll keep on training my weighted pull-ups and weighted chin-ups, and I'm sure that I'll be able to make some progress in muscle-ups. As of now, I don't have any direct plans to train on muscle-ups because I am thinking that probably weighted pull-ups or weighted chin-ups से काफ़ी कुछ progress हो जाना चाहिए. At least एक body weight strict muscle-up तो हो ही जाना चाहिए, and then from there onwards I can take forward with some dedicated specific muscle-up training. But for now, let's get started with the weighted chin-ups and other exercises. First exercise is arch pull-up negatives. So the goal of this exercise is to keep a retracted and depressed scapula throughout the eccentric motion. So इसका concentric बहुत difficult रहता है, so that's why I am choosing this eccentric motion, and it will have a good carryover effect to the front lever training. So I am doing 3 reps for 3 sets. I am not doing a lot of volume because this is a difficult exercise for me. So I'll just quickly finish the sets and go forward. So one of the problem that I am facing with my weighted chin-ups is that, जैसे कि मैंने आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, I am using these bricks for my weighted pull-up training and weighted chin-up training. The problem is I wanted to start with 17.5, but मेरे पास उस कॉम्बिनेशन का भी कुछ ब्रिक नहीं है. So because of that I have to start with 20 kgs directly. I hope you saw the last clip and the last set. So I'm not really happy with that set because पहले 2 rep तो अच्छे थे. उसके बाद if you see I am not completely extending my shoulders, so it means that I am trying to cheat. और उसके बाद मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, जब completely extend नहीं हो रहा तो मैं chin को ऊपर करके I am trying to touch my chin with the bar. Which might be good when you are testing your 1 rep max and all, but since I am training right now I don't want to do those kind of actions with my chin. I want to fully make my lats do the work. So मैं काम करूंगा, I'll reduce from 20 kg to 15 kg and for my next session कुछ तरीका निकाल लूंगा to add 2.5 kg extra. So yeah, let's see. I am pretty sure कि 15 kg के साथ all 5 reps should look good. And I have only 2 more sets. I don't want to waste those 2 sets. Because once you do a set with bad reps, you have wasted your energy in doing bad reps and bad form. वो कभी वापस नहीं आएगा. So I want to invest all my energy in good form and good technique and good reps. So let's see. 2 more sets are there. 2 sets तो मैंने ऐसे ही थोड़ा waste हो गया. But it's good. ऐसे ही you learn more. But जो आगे की 2 sets है, I will try to do with good form. $15 kg, 5 reps. I'm happy with the set. I'll do 1 more set, and for next time I'll try to get something like 17.5 or 16 kgs. थोड़ा एक 1 kg का option होना चाहिए because it's really helpful to overload progressively rather than taking big jumps like 5 kg jump, 1 kg या 2.5 kg का jump जो रहता है, that's much easier. So yeah, let's complete the last set. Next exercise is L-sit to upside down deadlift. I call it L-sit to upside down deadlift. नहीं पता असली में इसको क्या बोलते नहीं यार. I don't think इसका कोई नाम भी है, but L-sit to upside down deadlift sounds well for this because it's just an L-sit and then an upside down deadlift. So the reason why I added this is because I think it will help a lot with front lever training. So I have been doing front lever training in the past. Last year I used to do front lever training and then somehow advanced तक पे आके मैं रुक गया था. I didn't progress. I was not able to progress. So then I switched to dedicated training to pull-ups, weighted pull-ups, and then now I have added this exercise. I can put a clip here, and you can see there, till last session, this is how I used to do it. With help of a resistance band, I used to take assistance from the band, and then I used to, do the motion. In this session, surprisingly, मुझे बैंड की उतनी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. Although my legs were not completely straight and my arms are also bending a bit, but I am happy because I am happy that finally I got rid of the band. अब मैं hopefully अब मैं आगे आने वाले sets जो है विदाउट बैंड कर सकूंगा, एंड आई ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव माई फॉर्म एज वेल. इफ नीडेड मैं लास्ट सेट में या फिर उससे पहले वाले सेट में आई विल टेक असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम बैंड्स, बट आई एम हैप्पी दैट एटलीस्ट पहला सेट तो आई डिड इट विदाउट बैंड्स. सेकेंड लास्ट एक्सरसाइज इज बाइसेप कर्ल्स. सेटअप आपने ऑलरेडी देख लिया है क्लिप में. जिम्नास्टिक स्विंग्स यहाँ पे मैंने एक पोल में फिक्स किया है. उसके बाद टॉवल है एक, उसके एंड में मैंने 2 नॉट्स लगाए हैं सो दैट आई कैन मेक इट यूज लाइक अ हैंडल. सो आई एम डूइंग बाइसेप कर्ल्स आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, आफ्टर आई थिंक 6 months or something. So it feels good to be back doing these bicep curls. So yeah, let's do the remaining sets. Last exercise, face pulls. Done. 2 more sets are remaining. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you got something out of the video, and I will see you next time. Bye.